Shut up. Shut up, shut up. Too early for this. I need breakfast.
Yeah. Return of the X, and yes, I'm back again. Jaywalking through your brain, looking left and right, then left again. It's wild evident that nigga heaven sent. Keeping 93 plus the 1, 2, 7 cents. I got that 7 cents, wondering when it's all pretend. Coming from the Bronx and Yonkers, know I represent. And holding them on my back and shoulder them. I can't seem to find my competition, no offense. None intended, unless you deserve it, then I meant it. But if you ever felt
Guys, new year, new diet. If you're in Harlem, check out Oasis Juice Bar. It's right here on 125th and Broadway. Best place to get a smoothie or a juice. And of course, guys, I have to have it before we check out the truck. Let's go. I wanted to talk about the plans for the New Year's 2019. It's going to be a big year for the channel. We're going to be uploading a lot more frequently. I'm talking about every week or every other week. And for the winter, because I'm not built like that, I can't ride or anything, so it's going to be mostly car-related content. So we're going to do a lot of car reviews. I have a couple actual vehicles lined up for us to review, including this old gal. This is my new truck, as you guys can see by the thumbnail. It's a 2015, so newish old, 2015 F-150 XLT. There's gonna be a review of that to come later, but anyways, we call her Fiona Gray, the trap cowgirl, and well, she just treats us just right. God damn, it's bright as hell. I need my Slim Shadys on here. Slow down. I look like a mini Tom Cruise of Wesley Snipes, baby. God damn, CIA, looking fresh, baby. This is a cop right here. He's radaring me right now. Take a look at this guy right here. That is definitely a cop. Look, he's got the radar gun out. This is the ultimate speed trap. Guys, listen here. If you're in Harlem, all right, specifically Harlem on the west side, you go over this overpass. It's around 125th, between 125th and 137th. This is the ultimate speed trap. Never speed on here. It's a nice straightaway. It looks really, really appealing. Like you want to gun it. Like I'm in this baby. It's a V8, Coyote V8. I want to hit the pedal to the metal right now, but there's always cops around here. They always get you. Trust me. I've had one too many speeding tickets, and they know me by name, actually. Come on.
Why are you the way that you are?
Who needs to go off-roading upstate? You have the fucking potholes in the city. Cheapest gas right here. There's a gas station, a Shell gas station. I can't believe I'm releasing this secret. Ooh, that's a hot Ford. See, it gets sidetracked all the time. Anyways, where was I? I got a little sidetracked. I was talking about parking. Right now, I'm looking for parking because it's street parking, and it's terrible. As you guys can see, they're out. Like the cops are out, the sanitation cops are out. Look at this. This guy's about to ticket someone. Unbelievable. And that's like a heavy fine. That's $140. Like that's like 2 nice meals with your baby boo. Anyways, guys, stay updated. I appreciate you guys, and let's cut it. Oh my God, it's so cold. Woo! All for the channel, baby. All for the channel. Let's get out of here.